In this video, you'll learn how to transfer a Namecheap domain to another Namecheap account. We'll go through the process slowly and clearly so you know exactly where to click, what to enter, and what to expect along the way. By the end, you'll be able to move a domain from your account to someone else's within Namecheap without needing any advanced technical knowledge. First, make sure you're signed in to your Namecheap account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is where Namecheap shows an overview of your services, but for domain transfers, we'll go straight to the domain section. Look for the domain list option on the left-hand side of the dashboard. This is usually labeled clearly and shows all the domains you currently own in your account. Click on domain list to open it. You should now see a list of your domains, each one displayed with basic information and a few action buttons. Find the domain you want to transfer. Take a moment to double check the domain name, especially if you manage several similar ones so you don't accidentally move the wrong domain. Once you've located the correct domain, look for the manage button next to it and click that. This will open the detailed settings page for that specific domain. On the domain management page, you'll see several tabs or sections, such as domain details, name servers, and other settings. The one you're looking for is called sharing and transfer. Click on the sharing and transfer tab to open the transfer and access options for this domain. Inside the sharing and transfer section, you'll find different ways to share or move control of the domain. For transferring the domain to another Namecheap account, look for the option labeled change ownership. This is the feature that lets you push the domain from your account directly into someone else's account on Namecheap without going through an external registrar transfer. Click on Change Ownership. A form or pop-up will appear asking you for information about the new owner. The most important field here is the email address of the receiving Namecheap account. This email must match the email that the other person uses for their Namecheap login. Before you type it in, confirm with the new owner that you have their correct and current email address. A small typo can send the request to the wrong place or cause the transfer to fail. Carefully enter the recipient's email address into the field. It's a good idea to read it out loud to yourself or compare it directly to what the new owner sent you, just to be sure there are no mistakes. Some interfaces may also allow you to add a note or confirm contact details, but the key part is that email. Once the email is entered correctly, look for the button to confirm the change, often labeled change or something similar. Click this to start the transfer process. At this point, Namecheap will usually send a notification to the new owner and may also send you a confirmation email. The domain will then be moved to the other account once the process completes, which might require the recipient to accept the transfer. That's all you need to do on your side. You've gone from the Namecheap dashboard into your domain list, opened Manage for the correct domain, navigated to Sharing and Transfer, selected Change Ownership, entered the recipient's email, and confirmed the change.